This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming a few essentials, then changing the primary setting. First, make sure your iPhone 7 is updated and not in low power mode, because that limits automatic screen adjustments. Once done, go to Settings and open Accessibility, then tap Display and Text Size to reach the Auto Brightness toggle. You're doing this now because older iPhones hide the control under Accessibility. Enabling it here ensures the system can vary the backlight based on ambient light sensors, rather than fixed manual brightness. Now adjust and calibrate auto brightness so it responds correctly. Flip auto brightness off, wait 2-3 seconds, then turn it back on to reset sensor behavior. This often clears stuck settings. Next, swipe to Control Center and set a comfortable base brightness. This teaches the system your preference. Then test the changes across varied lighting conditions. Move to a bright window, step outside, and return to dim light to observe how smoothly the display adapts. Doing these steps helps the sensor relearn typical responses. Finish by solidifying changes and knowing what to try if brightness still misbehaves. Restart the phone so system modules reload with the new auto brightness state. Make sure to check it again across lighting scenarios. If issues continue, reset all settings under Settings General Reset to clear corrupted preferences. This won't delete media, but resets Wi-Fi and display settings. If the sensor remains unresponsive, clean the front sensor area, and, as a last step, consider hardware inspection at a repair shop, because the ambient light sensor may be faulty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.